Willkommen, German learners! Today I'm going to help you learn how to count in German. German numbers 0 to 9. Repeat after me. Let's start with 0. 0, 1. Eins. Notice how it sounds like there's a TS at the end. Eins. Next we have 2. Zwei. Sounds like a TZ again. Notice that ts. Zwei. 3. Drei. Drei. Don't worry if you can't roll that R yet. 4. Vier. Notice how the V in German sounds like an F in English. Then we have 5. Fünf. Notice how that umlaut isn't a fünf, but a fünf. It sounds like there's a UY in there. 6. Sechs. Notice how that CH is hard and kind of like a K. 7. Sieben. The S sounds kind of like a Z in English. Sieben. 8. Acht. Here it's not a hard CH, like in sechs. It's a soft one. Acht. 9. Neun. German numbers 10 to 19. 10. Zehn. It sounds like there's a TS or a TZ at the beginning. 10. 11 is 11. 12 is 12. 13. 13. It's 3:10. 13. 14. It's 4:10. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. Two-digit German numbers. Now we have 20, which is 20. Notice this IG ending? That's common now when we get into 20s, 30s, 40s. They all end in ich, IG. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. Notice how the numbers lose their endings and they take on sich. That's how we make the numbers 20 to 90. Single and double digit German numbers. Now what if we want to add a single unit? 21. We put that unit first. It's backwards from English. Instead of 21, we're going to say 1 and 20. Ein und 20. Or 31. Ein und 30. Or 41. Ein und 40. So German learners, how do you think we would say 56? We'll put the 6 first. 6 und 50. And what about the number 99? We'll put 9 and 90. 9 und 90. So easy until now, right? Three-digit German numbers. Then what do you think is the number 100? 100. It's almost the same. We're just going to change that D at the end into a T. Now, what if we want to say 121? We'll say 100, 100, ein, our first unit, und 20, 121. What about 199? We'll start with our 100 and then our 9 and 90. 199. Easy, right? What if we have 999. 999. Four-digit German numbers. Then we get to 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. We have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. You get the deal. German numbers a million to a trillion. For a million in German, we have 1 Million. And what about for a billion? Here's where there's a little difference. In German, they say Milliarde. It sounds like million, but this is how they say billion. Milliarde. It has that RD in there. Million, 1 million. Milliarde, 1 billion. And a trillion, we go back to 1 Trillion. Now you know how to count in German from 0 to 1 trillion. Hope you had fun counting with me today, German learners. And remember to read the blog post on how to count in German to go in depth into all the details of counting. Auf Wiedersehen!